Today's project, we are replacing this bumper with a smooth roll pan, and it is a difficult one. Go up here and as you can see, there's two bolts on each side. These have probably been here a long time. They're rusted. I've had to spray penetrating lube and also an impact wrench to get them. And this tool set right here, I want to thank these guys, Suzume. They make an awesome heavy duty ratcheting swivel head mount. I don't think I could have done this with a normal wrench. The bumper is off and oh my gosh, it was a pain. What? As we look here, they did send me these 2 packs and I definitely have put it to use. I trust the products. That's why I'm advertising and telling you guys about it. They have a 12-piece kit in metric or SAE. And let me tell you, these are heavy duty, 72 gear heads, high quality steel, and 180-degree swivel head. Shout out to them. Thank you for sending these to me so I can get this product done. If you guys are interested in picking up either a 12-piece or all 24, I will drop a link below. But back into this project. Now it's time to put the roll pan on, which will be easy. I'll just have to screw it in here. Let me unbox this, see what we got. Here is what we got. We got the roll pan, of course. Self-tapping screws up top. It did come with the light. Go there. And also screws for your license plate. I'm going to get in and try to figure out how I'm going to do this. But first, I'm going to spray paint this black. And then so it matches all the rest of the back of the vehicle. And I'll figure out how I'm going to mount this thing. I have it all prepped. Don't forget, guys, if you like this type of stuff, please hit that subscribe button. Join us. We go to car shows and we're starting this build series on the GMC truck. I'm going to spray it with Rust-Oleum flat and we're going to see how it looks. Let me get to spraying it. I'll be right back after that. We got it all painted. It looks pretty good. I'll probably end up repainting it. But I put the light on and I also snapped these in. I have 6 screws to assemble. I got my drill ready. Let's get into this and see what it's going to look like. I thought I could do it with the tailgate on, but I guess not. There is these brackets right here, the bolt right here. You have to remove them on each side. Now we have a lot better canvas to start with. Here's an update. I put 2 screws, 1 on each end, and I gotta bend it a little bit, but lines up pretty good. I'm going to put the other 4 screws in and we'll show you how it looks. By the way, the tailgate bolts are 9/16 and I was using this again. It was great because of the ratcheting. Worked out perfect. I love this toolkit. These are the black screws I'm using in case anybody's interested. And scroll up. It looks great. Time to put this pain in the butt tailgate. If you have a friend, grab them because it's difficult. Here's the results of the roll pan. Fitment's pretty good. Like I said, I'll have to adjust it a little. I did mount my Wolfbox rear view camera right here. But all in all, I'm quite happy with this product and I would recommend it. I'll drop a link below go for a wider angle on it. It gives it that look I want on the truck. What do you guys think? Hope you guys enjoyed the roll pan install. It was not that hard of a project once I got going, got at it. Hardest part was removing the old bolts to it. Check out another video on the left and the right. We do a lot of build series on this truck. We like to show you guys what you can do in a driveway. Some of the bigger projects, we'll be taking them into the shop like Brian's Motorsports. Also show Suzum some support. They did send me those tools for free to try them out, review them. I like them. I've been using them on a lot of different items. So I will drop their affiliate link below. It means the world to me if you show the people that support me support. And we'll see you guys next time. We got a car show next weekend at the Redneck Rumble. We're super excited. Stay tuned for that to be out.